More and more countries are committing to sending Leopard 1 tanks to Ukraine in the war against the Russians. In the latest move, Denmark, Germany, and the Netherlands pledged to supply Ukraine with 100 Leopard 1A5 main battle tanks. A joint statement was published on February 7, 2023. These tanks will be refurbished from private defense companies. The Leopard 1A5 is not as modern or capable as the newer Leopard 2, but is more than capable of dealing with the Russian T-62 tank. In addition to the 100 Leopard 1A5 tanks, Denmark, Germany, and the Netherlands are also committed to providing operational training, logistics, spare parts, and ammunition. Germany developed the Leopard 1 from 1950 to 1960, began mass production and entered service in 1965. These tanks were later replaced by the more powerful main battle tank Leopard 2. Dutch Defense Minister Kastja Ollongren said that the Leopard 1 is definitely suitable for Ukraine to use in the war, even though it is an old main battle tank. The Leopard 1A5 is truly a battle-proven tank. They will be repaired and ready for battle, so they will certainly be useful to Ukraine and better than some older Russian tanks, according to Minister Ollongren. The Leopard 1A5 is the latest update in the Leopard 1 family and has been in service with the German army since 1984. It retains the design of the previous Leopard 1, but the turret is fitted with add-on armor mounted on the sides. The tank has a crew of 4, including a driver, commander, gunner, and a loader. The engine is located at the rear of the hull, which is separated from the fighting compartment by a fireproof bulkhead. The Leopard 1A5 is armed with a 105mm L783 main gun, compatible with our standard 105mm NATO ammunition. A total of 60 rounds, including 42 rounds stored in the hull and 18 in the turret. The maximum firing range is up to 2,500 meters. Secondary armament consists of a 7.62mm machine gun coaxially mounted with a primary weapon and a 7.62mm machine gun mounted on the command hatch. The Leopard 1A5 is fitted with an armor that provides protection against 30mm automatic cannon in the foregut hull, while the overall protection can withstand small caliber weapon fire and shrapnel. The tank has an overall mass of about 42 tons, a length of 9.52 meters, a width of 3.37 meters, and a height of 2.70 meters. Mobility is provided by an 830 horsepower MTU MB 838 multi-fuel engine. The tank can run at a maximum speed of 65 km per hour with a maximum cruising range of 600 km. Compared to the Leopard 2, Leopard 1 is significantly lighter and has less firepower. However, European countries think it can still compete with our Russian main battle tanks, such as the T-62.